Welcome in our breaking news. For 60 minutes later, we will tell you news of dolphins. Dolphins travel together in group in sea. They can locate their prey using echolocation and often hunt for fish, squid, and shrimp. Dolphins also sleep with one eye open. Sometimes, humans use them in a pool show with other animals because they are friendly and intelligent. Although dolphins are harmless, children are not afraid to get a kiss from them. That's all information. For attention, thank you and see you.
Motherfucking design all right now.